What?
Wait, it's recording now. Go.
Do what?
Say something.
I said something.
Say what?
What?
What are you gonna say? No, just say something random.
Push.
No. Push what?
Say push.
Push. Push. Push. Push. Kick.
say naked as a jaybird.
Naked as a jaybird.
Say naked as a jaybird.
Naked as a daybird.
Anyway, let me feed your poop. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I'm gonna call it naked as a jaybird. And Mimi say something weird. Yeah, I'm videotaping.
What?
I'm videotaping what she's like. But she wasn't smiling. It was funny. I'm gonna videotape Mama. Mommy, say something.
Hi, Hannah. I love you.
No, you don't. You just love me, love me, love me. Mima, you gotta say something.
Get lost!
Look, it's the two old coots. You're an old coot now. Old coot. Ew, don't lick me. Oh, free seat. Wow, I don't have this big of a butt. I'm gonna go back here. I can zoom in, Sage. I should be. No, I can't. Not on video. This is 1 minute and 43 seconds. You should say something. Ah! Scared the crap out of me. I'm gonna sit here. And that's a banjo right there. Banjo-y. Dad. Out there. Whatever. Mima, you gonna say something else? Mima.
Yeah, dry the dishes.
I can't. I gotta pee. Goodbye.